What's up, everybody? Ali Interactor back with a brand new video. I just wanted to shoot out this video quickly to give you guys a few pointers on credit repair and a bunch of other cool things. Now, first things first, when you're starting off, what you want to do is you guys want to essentially communicate. So, if you're getting those letters, don't wait until the last minute to send it to us. Pick up the phone. There's something called a cam scanner. It's free. You can actually download it. I think it's also available on iPhone. I know for sure it's available on Android. And what you got to do is scan those documents and just basically send it via email, and we have the copy instead of going through the mail, instead of faxing it, and you save yourself some costs. So that's number one. Don't wait until the very last minute to send those letters. Once you get it, do it immediately. It's for your own benefit. It's for us as well to help your file move forward, so you can actually get your credit squared away and get the AAA credit rating that you're looking for. So I wanted to ask you guys about, for example, what exactly is it that most of you guys are looking for beyond the credit game? A lot of people come to us, it's because they have all these negative items on their file, and they're looking for qualification factors, right? Like whether they want to apply for an apartment, whether they want to get some insurance, whether they're looking for funding. No, that mostly the funding that they're trying to get is for their home. So they're trying to get into a house. If not, then possibly something else. But whatever it is, leave it below this video. Comment exactly why you want to get your credit fixed, or why you're interested in the credit game in the first place. And a lot of people also want to do this. Not that they have terrible credit, but they want to enhance it because they want to get into real estate. That can help as well. So those are some of the considerations that possibly you want to fix your credit. That's one point that I wanted to ask you guys. Another thing is, a lot of people want to do the business of credit. They want to get into the business of credit repair, and they want to learn the system. And a lot of people have been messaging me lately on how to do that properly. I actually do one-on-one coaching. I actually do help individuals out there build their own credit repair business, depending on where they are, particularly in a state or whatever city you're in. Lately, I've been mentoring quite a few people and individuals through my other company. It's called Prominent Wealth Group. Prominent Wealth Group is basically my firm. It's a network marketing model, yes, but we highly concentrate on helping you effectively fix your credit, enhance it, as well as do business credit, so that once you actually have, you're in the platform, in a few months down the road, you actually have business credit that you can use to grow your business, among many other things, including real estate education. So if you're looking for private group coaching, if you're looking for one-on-one coaching to help you basically start your own credit repair business, or you're looking to help others basically get situated with their credit, you have to keep a lot of things in mind. The administrative side, the accounting side, the marketing and sales side, also the compliance side. As a credit repair organization, you have to follow the rules and regulations as well. It's not a open book or basically free for all concept. It's really regulated. So that's something you got to keep an eye out on. And there's a lot of ways to get uniquely positioned so that customers come to you instead of your competitors. So a lot of people think that the credit repair game is just simply, setting up a website and a domain and essentially leaving it there, and hopefully customers will come. There's a lot more to it than that. You have to play it very strategically. You have to come out authoritative, or else you're going to just be another commodity like other people out there. A lot of people complain about Lexington Law and stuff like that. So there's a lot of components already online in the marketplace that you can look at and say, look, how do I make myself stand out and do better? So I do one-on-one coaching. I help you exactly, learn the whole process of how to fix customers' credit, what kind of letters to write, how to write those letters, what are some of the things to look out for. We break it down for you. What are some of the tools and resources that other credit repair companies don't use, but will give you a significant advantage once you use them to help your customers get squared away. So that's something that you want to look at as well. So if you're interested in that, email me at talk@bestcreditresources.com. It's definitely a leading program. It's a one-on-one coaching. It takes about 3 days to get squared away. I can physically come to you as well. It's not a cheap thing, because this is literally a business that you can make millions of dollars if you do it right, and we're going to partner up. Okay, so it's not just about me coaching you and leaving you to be. We're going to partner up. We're going to do a joint venture agreement. I'll help you set it up. I'll help you get some money there. But at the same time, you also get the advantage of being coached by myself. I've been in the industry for about 10 years. You get everything that I learned over the years, the mistakes that I've made, and teach you exactly what to do to stand out so that you attract all the right customers and grow your business in a very substantial manner. Okay? So with that said, again, you can email me at talk@bestcreditresources.com if you're looking to start your own credit repair business, if you're looking to get one-on-one consulting and coaching with me and mentoring along the way to grow your business. More importantly, if you're looking to help yourself to get your credit squared away independently without getting into the business side, email me at talk@bestcreditresources.com. Let's do an audit about your situation. And then, of course, if you are serious about getting squared away with your credit, we can get started with that. So I have a huge team now. We're growing very rapidly. I delegate most of my work. I've trained my consultants to do the right thing. And now I'm looking for people who are looking to expand, who are looking for getting into the business of getting credit squared away for other individuals and helping customers fix their credit as well, in addition to business credit. So if you're serious about partnering with me, or if you're just serious about helping yourself in your credit conditions, email me at talk@bestcreditresources.com. So I just wanted to shoot that out to you. In terms of the content of this video, I also wanted to tell you guys, look, don't wait when you get the letter, send it. And once again, that app is called Cam Scanner. It's free, so you can basically download it. It doesn't cost a lot to basically, it just costs your time essentially, right? You just scan those documents one at a time and send it via email, and we got it, and now we can continue working on your file. So I hope today's video was helpful. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn that bell notification on so every time there's a brand new video, you'll be first to be notified. I look forward to helping you guys. I'll be giving you guys some epic finance talk this Saturday. A lot of great content coming up. Can't wait. I can't give you the secret of what we're going to talk about, but it's definitely something you want to be part of. Hope you guys be there. See you guys all there. This heat, man, it's too much. We're in Montreal, and it probably feels like we're in the Sahara Desert. I hope you guys are enjoying your Independence Day, and I look forward to see you guys soon. Okay, this is Ellie Taruftar, your guide and mentor. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.